This video production is brought to you by Pack and Away Mobile Storage. We bring the storage unit to your door, pack it at your place, and store it at ours. Pack and Away Storage is a division of Highway Number 1 Self-Storage. We are proud supporters of the Number 2 NLSA Sprint Car and Number 20X Modified.
This is the henchcraft of Roland Bernard, and outside another henchcraft sponsored by Pioneer Seeds and Precision Land Solutions. Out of Winkler, this is Chris Unruh. One to green. All right, here we get set to go racing 15 times around in the Northern Lightning Sprint Association. 29 and the 35 on the front row, the 14 and the 43 row 2, and the 2 and the 27 outside of row number 3. And here we go. Sabatini with the early jump in the Bailey chassis, but here comes the henchcraft of Wally Butler on the inside. Butler has some speed, as does the 14 of Ed Bell. These guys are flying. Look at Robert Livingstone go in the 43. Livingstone's got lots of speed, but can't get by Butler. Side by side, Wally Butler goes by the 29 in a big way. Robert Livingstone now battling the 29 of Dylan Sabatini. Fast time so far, 17.716 seconds. Wally Butler with the fastest lap of the night. .6 seconds now for Wally Butler in the 35W. The Pack and Away Mobile Storage, Highway 1 Self-Storage, number 2, Roland Bernard, is working on the car number 14 of Ed Bell. Roland Bernard, due to work commitments has not been able to make all the races here at Red River Co-op Speedway this year, but won the feature last week here in the 2 car. 27 of Chris Unruh is off the racetrack. That car won the recent Watermelon Cup in Borden, Manitoba a couple weeks ago. The big $1,000 to win Lightning Sprint show. Look at the race over in turn number 4. Ed Bell battling with the 2 of Roland Bernard. Wally Butler is running away with this one in the Cabelco Mazer Group 35W. Roland Bernard continuing to work on Ed Bell for 3rd. That's the best race in the place. Wally Butler has a straightaway on everybody. That car is a rocket. Dylan Sabatini holding on to second. Now Roland Bernard in the 2 takes third in the Packing Away Mobile Storage. Number 2. Fourth is Ed Bell. Two to go for your leader. Your leader around to take the white flag, 1 to go. .17.4 last lap. Checkered flag, your winner, the Cabelco 35W of Wally Butler. Second spot, Dylan Sabatini. Third, Roland Bernard. And fourth, the 14 is Ed Bell. That is your top 4 in the Lightning Sprint division here tonight, but a nice drive for the Cabelco Mazer Group. New Holland Agriculture 35W. Wally Butler, a former SCCA sports car racer turned Lightning Sprint driver, did a nice job tonight in the Henchcraft chassis. All right, once again, you're winning 50-50 ticket number 109014. 109014. We'll need you to the announcer's tower to claim your prize. 109014. We understand it is still unclaimed. Catch anybody with that number yet? 109014 in the 50-50 draw. Okay, what do we do? Give it a couple minutes and maybe redraw or something? 109014. 109014. Winner of the 50-50 ticket draw. No way. 109014. Well, I guess so. The rich get richer, huh? $303 to Don White. Don White is your winner. Well, there he is, the New Holland Construction, New Holland Agriculture, Kawasaki Wheel Loaders, Cabelco, Mazer Group 35W. With a great job. This car, of course, took a rough tumble last Monday, right down the front straightaway. This driver, of course, Wally Butler, is teamed with Amber Balkin in the 2013 season, and Amber took a rough ride, but fortunately is okay. So we're going to give Wally a second to get out of that Mazer Group Henchcraft chassis, powered by a 1000cc Suzuki engine. And there he is out of the car. How about it for Wally Butler? Winner in the feature here tonight in the Lightning Sprint division in convincing fashion. What a great job by Wally Butler, no doubt about that. Coming up next will be your AMSOIL Race of Champions in the Midwest Modified division. And some tough competitors in that one, no doubt about it. And looking back across the straightaway, Grant Hall out of the branded area will be your pole sitter. So a tough customer to start on the pole in your AMSOIL Race of Champions. All right, Wally is out of the car. We're going to bring him up on stage now for a quick interview. After a great drive in the 35W, Wally, that car was absolutely on rails tonight. Man, that thing looked great.
Well, thanks, Darren. First, I'd like to say thanks to Amber, and glad she's okay after last week's wreck. That was a pretty violent crash. And special thanks to Tom Taylor, who worked all week putting this car back together. Obviously, he put it back together straight, and it was really hooked up tonight. So, lots of thanks to Tom Taylor, and we look forward to continuing coming on supporting Monday nights here at the Speedway.
All right, how about it, ladies and gentlemen? Your winner in the Lightning Sprint Division, Wally Butler. A great drive in the Cabelco Mesa Group, New Holland Construction, New Holland Agriculture 35W.